They say gold is the ultimate safe haven, but in the New York session, it's a battlefield. I have spent the last week of this year trying to master it. I have faced a holiday, a missed opportunity, and the constant urge to break my own rules. This isn't a highlight reels of win. This is a week in the life of a student trader trying to build an empire from the bedroom. To explain this chart, let me tell you this are three indicators. This is volume, EMA, and session one. The blue region shows the London session. This reddish pink region shows the Asian session, and this yellow or orange one shows the New York session. Here we can see the 6:30 candle has started and the New York session is on. I am waiting for a liquidity sweep so that I will go for that trade. Well, let's explain my strategy. It's simple. We will look for liquidity sweep after 6:30 candle closure and then take that trade. Well, you must be thinking why only after 6:30? I have been trading in the New York session for more than 7 months now. Not too much experience, but still, it's the more liquid and most amount of volume. We can see the more volume in New York session. And currently, I only trade XAUUSD gold. And most importantly, I only take one trade a day. It is part of my rule. Currently, I have taken a funded account which I'm passing from very long time. This one, it's a one-step account. The target is $500. I have $24 in profit. I've traded like for a month now. I'm trading for too long. Win ratio is bad because it's December, of course. In December, it's better not to trade XUSD because it's too bad. It's too volatile. It's too bad. We are waiting for any liquidity sweep. We will wait, and if we don't get a A plus setup, we will not trade. That's simple. Okay, so this is obviously not a liquidity sweep. Yes, it's not a liquidity sweep. And the major trend, I think it's uptrend. It's an uptrend, major trend. It's a trend line. There are two chances as per my guesses. One, it will likely go like this and then go down till here, I guess. Or it will hit this line and then go up. At least till this crossover. These are the two scenarios I likely think will happen. Well, I'm not sure. We will not guess the market. We should not guess the market. The candle is closed, but we still have not seen a liquidity sweep. Let's wait. We'll wait. And currently, as it's December, I am risking less. So, as per my rule, I should risk 1% at each trade, and my risk to reward should be 1 is to 2. But as per December, I would lower my risk because of the possible any scenario can happen, anything can happen. So we will only trade for 0.05 lots. Okay, so we got a confirmation and a sweep. So we are entering here. We are very likely to take the trade. they are sold. My history is 1 is to 2. 1 is to, we'll see. The profits. I have closed one lot. Yes, we booked a profit. Congrats. It's a profit. It would have increased. Yes. It's now 65. We have 13%. Our target is 500. We have reached 65. Well, it's day 2. It's Tuesday, 30 December. And it's not a liquidity sweep yet. You can see the markets are open. Okay, if we get the confirmation, we will sell. We can't see any trend line. Okay, this is the trend line, but well, in as per the long trend, it's an uptrend if we see on higher time frame, but we are day trader. Okay, we would sell. We sold. If it hit 1 is to 1, I would book half of my profit. We are seeing this bullish probably because of the EMA, but as I think sellers are more active and the bias is bearish. You can see we are on a profit. The candle is going bearish. Okay, 1 is to 1 is hit. If it comes little up, then I will think of taking 1 is to 1 profit, or else I will wait for it to hit my target. Gotcha. We hit a target. Congrats. It's a profit. I would probably love to take the screenshot. And yes, it's a profit. I will show you. You can see it's $75 profit. Yeah, you can see the screen. You saw the yesterday's Monday screen too. Now see today's. We have $140 profit. We need 500. Hope it's completed soon. We got a bearish candle and then this is going up. I have not sold nor I have bought, but I think I would buy now. I don't know. Let's see if it crosses this and if it gives a bullish, we would buy, but we will risk less because this is a resistance zone. If we look, okay, this would be our SL. I have bought. Let's see. Okay, you can see we have bought at the right time. If it hit 1 is to 1, I will book half of the profits. Will wait for it to hit my target. Okay, no needed to close even 0.4. It's going to hit. Okay, it okay. Our target is hit. It's a profit. Congrats. Okay, so we are back on the last day of the week. We have seen a bullish candle move, which has already been taken. This is a bullish close. Let's look for liquidity. We would probably wait for a liquidity sweep. We will wait for confirmation. And if it closes bullish, we would probably go for the trade. No, we will not because volumes are this is a strong fight between buyers and sellers going on. And we don't know. Okay, probably should buy here. We would buy. So we see increase in volume. Oh, no, will not buy. If I'm not understanding, I will not do anything. We are selling here. Oops. We should have sold here. Okay, in 3 minutes we can still sell. We would sell little lesser. Okay. We would wait for the candle to close. If we would have sold here, we would have already been in profit. See how much down it went. Oh my god. I don't think we should probably sell here because yeah, it's too big. Yeah, it's too big. We cannot sell here. We should have sold that here. If the 5 minute candle have been closed, well, we would not sell here. Well, I will tell you why we didn't sold here because the pips were too big. Our SM would have been like 12 pips, 11 to 12 pips, which is too big, which is not good, of course. And we can see a EMA of 5 minutes. But if we would have sold here, it would have been a great trade. Like after the closure of 5 minutes, see, we would have covered 1:2. But it's fine, we missed it. And it's totally fine if we miss this trade. Like it's fine that I'm not taking trade now. Like many people in greed, they just buy sell now and then it will directly go up. Like it's XAUUSD, it can do anything, and we should not probably take like those trades without stop loss. So it's totally fine. We missed the trade. I don't think we would probably get another trade, but it's fine. And see, my God, this is falling like hell. See, my God, we just missed this out, and it's totally fine. Like we would have took entry here by keeping our stop loss here, and we would have easily gained 1:2. See, people start selling here, like at this moment, because they see a very strong bearish. People will start selling here, but they forgot that this here, the people who have bought here would have keeping their stop loss here, and it's hitting the stop loss and going up. Well, there can be two possible scenarios, as always. It can go up, or it will just go down. It will reject the buyers and go down because I think sellers are in more demand, so it will go down probably, or it can go up by just liquidity sweep. Yeah, but it was a wonderful trade, and the best thing was that we didn't took it now. Like we are not greedy and we are not taking it now in the fear of be missing out. We're not taking this trade. We're just closing it. I'm just closing the screen and not taking it because if I will see it, I will, as a human, of course, my emotions will flutter and I would like to sell it and enter the trade, but I should not because my trade is gone and it's fine. We would meet, we would trade on the next week. As it's Friday, we have 2 days holiday, Saturday and Sunday. It's fine. You will be getting this video soon, and I have already posted all of my trade which I have captured on the Instagram account. Hope this video will come soon.
4 days, one missed trade, zero rules broken. People ask why a 17-year-old is obsessed with XAUUSD. This is because market doesn't care how old you are. It only cares if you have the discipline to follow the narrative you have written for yourself. This week wasn't about P&L. It was about proving that I am the one in control. If you're ready to build your own system, the journey starts here. Subscribe to see how the story unfolds in 2026. Stay disciplined, the empire is coming. Let's get to work.